In this video, we are going to define our routes here. As you can see, now I want to organize all admin pages under a single dashboard prefix. So this means every admin page will start with a dashboard prefix. As you can see, for example, my posts page will be dashboard slash posts. So let's define them. In first step, I need to erase all these routes here. I don't need them anymore. And after that, I need to define a route prefix with dashboard, and I need a group here because I'm going to add some routes under this prefix. And for example, my main route is dashboard, so I can say that I have a route with a get method, and it's going to be my main route, and there is a fallback function, as you can see here. After I define these steps, these routes, we can create some controllers to point directly to the controllers, but for now I will create a closure here and return my view, which is my dashboard view. Dashboard index. As you can see, it's pointing to this dashboard index.blade.php. So I should be able to see my dashboard in the same route as before. If I refresh the page, yes, I can see my dashboard page is still live, and I can see the page in a nice manner. Let's define other page. I will go to my PHP store, and under this route prefix, as you can see, I'm still in the route prefix body here. I want to define another route with get HTTP method, for example, my posts route, as you can see, and I have a fallback function here, which is going to return a view to my posts file. I will create it better. Admin.post.index. This is the file path. And if I go to the posts URL right now, I can see that it's working under the dashboard. Let's go to the posts. I should be able to see my posts page. As you can see, it's live and it's working. I will do same for all these routes here. Also, there is a note here. I should define a name for my routes because I can easily use them in my Blade file in the future. I can say that this is my dashboard dot index. This is a standard naming, and for my posts, this is dashboard dot post dot index. And also I can copy and paste for all other pages I have. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. I think I should delete this. And after that, I can define all other routes I want. For example, my categories, I can write it here, categories. The name will be dashboard.categories.index, and the view is in admin categories index, as you can see. The next one is comments. I have a comments route, and like that, this is very easy. As you can see, you should just copy and paste. There is no other stuff. And I have a setting page also that is going to be like this. I can test them right now. For example, I can use users, dashboard users. You can see our users page is live. I have comments page also, and my comment page is showing. And the next step is to give link to these routes here. As you can see, for example, when I want to create a click on posts or categories page, I should redirect to these routes I have defined. So let's go to add some links to these stuff here. It's so easy. If you want to link your menu to these routes you have defined, we should go to the sidebar. As you remember, our menus are placed here. For example, for my dashboard page, I need to give the link to the dashboard route in this href here. It's so easy because I have used the name method here. I have defined the name for my route, so I can use this dashboard dot index here like this. I'm going to use the route helper and dashboard dot index, which is going to link my dashboard menu to the dashboard route here. So if I go to my application and give it a refresh, and if I go here on my dashboard menu, if I click on that, I will go to the dashboard page, as you can see. So I have the link here, and also when I hover my mouse on that in the bottom left on the corner of the screen, you can see the link here, my domain, and after that slash dashboard. I can do the same for all these routes here. So I can copy this one, add here for categories, comments, users, and settings. So I need to just change it like this: dashboard dot hosts dot index, dashboard dot categories dot index. It's going to add an index here, and dashboard dot comments. For my users, I have dashboard dot comments dot index, and for settings I have dashboard dot settings dot index. So give a refresh to my application, and if I click on the setting, I will go to the setting page. If I want to see my categories, I can click on categories and see my categories page. So it's working, and we have declared our routes, and we have linked them to our menus here, so we can access them very easy from now.